We've got an album out on Sony, which hopefully will keep you very busy in the Amazon plant here. It comes out on the 3rd of December. We've got 2 albums coming out on that day, a Christmas edition and a standard edition.
Crazy to see it for the first time, just thinking how many people might want to actually buy this after next week.